lately, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much.
Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. My name is Casey if you are new here, and today I'm going to show you how to clip in hair extensions, especially for fine, short, thin hair, and how to style. Keep watching. My hair is all one length, and then I have some bangs that I am currently growing out. So that is what I'm working with. My hair is very fine, it is very thin. It looks a little poofy right now because I do have some volumizing mousse in it. I just washed my hair today, so when I got out of the shower, I went ahead and put some volumizing mousse at my roots, only at my roots, and like an egg size amount. And then through my ends, I put on heat protectant. And then I flipped my head upside down and I blow dried my hair, and this is what I'm left with. When I don't put volumizing products in my hair, or if I don't put like a thickening spray or something, and I just let my hair air dry, that's when you can really see like just how thin it is and how fine it is. So I feel like I always have to kind of put something in it to plump it up a bit. I used to wear extensions all in my 20s, like for years I wore hair extensions. I mainly clip-ins, but I used to do like tape-ins, the micro beads. I was just basically obsessed with hair extensions. I started playing around with color, and I started like bleaching and then going brunette and then going blonde and then going brunette, and played that game for a while, and that caused a lot of damage to my hair. Along with the last time I had tape-ins, I got so impatient and I just started ripping them out. I regret that so much. So yeah, I just started ripping them out. That really made my hair thin because it ripped out so much of my hair. So I've been trying to lay off my hair. I'm like, okay, give your hair a break from dyeing, bleaching. I still use heat, but not anywhere like I used to, you know? So my favorite brand is Irresistible Me. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I do have a code though. I forgot what it is. I haven't shared my code with anyone in a really long time, but it'll be down below in the description box if you guys are looking for new hair extensions. I highly recommend this brand. Again, I've tried so many hair extensions over the years, and I always come back to this brand, and they're so beautiful. And I already got these brushed out, and I'm going to start putting them in. So sometimes I will style my hair and style the extensions separately, but today, again, it's been a really long time, so hopefully this goes well. Today I'm going to be putting them in and then styling my hair and the extensions together. Their hair is so thick, a very thin band here on the extension. I have very thin, fine hair, so I can't have anything too bulky because you'll be able to see it, and I don't want that. So I love the seam, the whatever this is. So if you have thin hair and you have a problem with your hair extensions showing, these are going to be your best friend. From top to bottom, there's thickness. They don't go thin, they don't taper on the ends. And I've had these extensions for such a long time. I've washed these, blow dried these, heat styled them, washed them again, heat styled them, washed them. I've done so much, and they look brand new. Like, they look so beautiful. So I'm gonna put these in. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair out real quick. I just got a haircut last week. I think she took about 1.5 inches off, maybe 2 inches, but it just feels so much better. My hands are clammy, and it's weird because I don't want to like, so I'm going to go just above my ear, and I'm going to take all that hair that's from above my ear and up. I'm going to clip it. I'm going to take this really tiny clip. I'm going to clip one side, another tiny clip, and I'm going to clip the other side. And if you have thick hair, you might need to do like 2 of these, you know? Alright, then I'm going to take this down. I'm going to go just above where I sectioned off and pull and then clip this up again. And then I'm gonna install the second weft. Next I'm gonna take that down, and then I'm going to go up here. I'm gonna create kind of like a U shape. I'm gonna clip that up. Also, I like to kind of brush through each weft right before I put it in so I don't get any tangles. And then I'm going to clip this. So there's 2 clips right here. I'm gonna kind of center that. And then this clip, I'm gonna kind of pull to the side here of my head. Again with this. I don't have any of my shorter pieces like peeking through, so that's cool. And then next I'm gonna go in with 2 clip, and I'm gonna put that right here. And then I'm going to lift, because you can see it kind of overlaps, so I'm gonna lift this up a little bit, and I'm gonna put this under. And I actually have a couple of wefts left over. Excuse me. So sometimes I'll use all of the hair, and sometimes I will have a couple left over. There's so much hair on each weft that I don't have to put them all in. So now that they're in, I'm going to show you how I curl. My favorite way to part my hair when I'm wearing extensions is down the middle, which is actually like the only time I part my hair. For some reason, I really just dislike the middle part with my short hair. When I have length, I love the middle part. So I'm gonna section hair into 2. All right, we're gonna start with this side, and I'm going to kind of treat it like it is my hair and it's not like clip-ins. So when I part it, I'm not grabbing like certain wefts or anything. I'm just kind of like creating 2 sections. I'm gonna clip this up, and then I'm gonna grab this back section here, and I'm going to wrap the hair around this. Leave it for like 10 seconds. Let it go, kind of hold it in my hand. And then I have this curl. I'm not gonna like run through it or anything. I'm just gonna kind of let it chill while I curl the rest. And I'm not grabbing too small of a section, and I'm also not grabbing like a large section. I'm so excited right now because I haven't played with hair extensions in such a long time that they just always make me feel some kind of way when they're in. Now for this top section, I have my hair here, and then I have some extensions. So I really want to make sure that I curl those together. And if I feel like I grabbed like too much hair, I'll leave it in a little bit longer so it can all get the heat. Now with this front piece, I have my bangs, my hair, and some of the extension. And I'm gonna pull this kind of like straight down, lay the curling iron right here, and then wrap. Because I don't want my bangs to be like curly, but I do want them to kind of blend in with the rest of the party. I have to get my kids from school right now, so I'm like trying to hurry. Going to do the same thing to this side. I'll be right back. All right, so this side is done. I'm gonna let it cool before I start running my fingers through it. This piece looks like it needs a little help, so I'm just gonna go through and like any pieces that need some love, I'm gonna go through. Hey Siri. What time is it? I feel like it's nice and cool now. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my head over very gently and kind of shake the hair out, blend it, or so it looks like.
It's 2:48 p.m.
If my hair was really this long, I wouldn't know how to act. And if I had this much hair, I wouldn't even. I just love this hair so much. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the side part. This side. Alright, and that's gonna do it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. And until next time, peace.
Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I